Hi, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you on my journey on using Notion. So after a week of using Notion, I discover things that inside this software is quite good. And today I'm going to share with you on how I use it. Okay, let's go to the screen. First of all, I already logged in, and here we can find on the left here, on the left portion, I did not do any notes yet. I still on the default. So I think we're going to move into what I call as personal development. So here in personal development, I list down the things that I want to learn and what are the yearly resolution for this year. When you want to add the things that you want to learn, for example here like me coding, I just click on the plus button here, and then you can add your basic block. It's either a normal text, as a plain text, or perhaps it's a page. Like for me, I make use of the sample given by Notion, so I just change it as it is lah. Like I duplicate it. For example here in the word coding, so here is using a table here. Like me, I want to learn Python and R language, so I put in the link here. What is the link related to this programming language? The thing I want to learn also on the finance side, which I am still learning on it, on how to do some financing and also investment. And also I want to learn more on the communication part, where like here now I'm doing a YouTube video for you guys. So it is part of the way that I want to learn to communicate effectively. And also on the resolution part, I have not putting in my yearly goals here yet, but soon enough I will place it inside here as well. Let's go to the second section, which I call as YouTube. So inside YouTube, I put in the two main page. I put the idea page and the script. My ideas here, I divided into three portions. So like just a thought, and then working on it. Like now in this video, I'm organize my life using Notion, and what are the things that I posted already. So here I can track basically what are the things that I want to post on YouTube. From here, let's say I want to do this video, how to use Google Calendar effectively. So when I want to make this video and I'm working on it, okay, I just drag this item onto the next board. So it will be moving to this working on board lah. And after you have completed, you can just drag it to the posted section. So it will be also be displayed in this portion, right? That's about ideas and script that is still empty inside here. I haven't do anything on it. Okay, moving on to personal finance. This one I put in my two items that I really focus on, which is my commitment and cash flow. So I'm going to show you the cash flow here, and here in the cash flow there is some balance calculation, the income and the expense. So right now I put as August first. So example here I put around 2000, right? So we reflect on this total income and also your expenses during that particular month. So here I can put in my groceries. Okay, on the month of August, let's say we put 200, and I want to add new, I can put in my rent, say rent about 600 ringgit. You can also put in your what are the type of your expense, whether it's a fixed or is it variable. So for groceries it is quite flexible for me, and for renting it is fixed. Okay, and supposedly in this up and down you can see whether you are over budget or in budget. So I'm going to reference how to do this personal cash flow inside the link at my description later on. You can have a look at this video to learn more on the how to use Notion as your personal cash flow. We're going to move into the task list. I have created what are my to-do, in progress and done. So I have two here, and once I'm done, just like before, I can put it inside here in progress. And once I have completed in my work, I can just drag and put done. So we track your progress. I will put it back here, right? And then finally on my reading list, I have not yet put in anything. And then I am still reading one book for the record. It is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, and I should not be procrastinate on it, and I will update you guys soon on what I think about that book. So that is just a short video to show you my progress on using Notion for up to 7 days. I hope you find this video useful. If you are using Notion and you want to share your experience, please do so in the comment below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.